I'm Leon from barnfurnituremart.com. We're here in sunny Van Nuys, California. We've been here since long before the internet. We've been here over 75 years. And our specialty is American-made solid hardwood furniture with a particular interest in the mission and arts and crafts designs. Now, we've been in the forefront of the, quote, home office, and now we also do commercial projects. But this is part of our most deluxe mission Craftsman quarter sawn white oak office series. Now these have solid oak, quarter sawn oak tops, fronts and sides. This particular piece is 24 by 60. It has a nice ample leg room. It can be done in special sizes if you would like to have this up to 78 inches or 80 inches long by 3 feet deep. We do that. Has a pull-out dictation board to give you extra space. The drawers are English dovetail drawer joints. Full ball bearing extensions. Our file drawers hold letter or legal files. Comes with this aluminum hanging rods. There are a choice of finishes. This is the coordinating lateral file cabinet. We make it in a 2-drawer, 3-drawer, and 4-drawer. I don't have the rods shown in here, but it goes letter or legal just by moving the rods. Still the same English dovetail drawer joints. That is the standard letter legal size. Now these are a little wider because we do the 2-inch posts all around. It makes the piece a little bit wider, but really adds to the beauty and heft of the piece. If you look at the side detail on all of these pieces, instead of doing the solid plain panel, we do the 4 posts with a frame and a recessed panel. Beautiful, beautiful detail. And we have a choice of finishes. Now this is our standard OCS 113 stain that we stock this in. And we have probably at any given moment a half a dozen of each of these pieces on hand, so you do not have to wait for them. They're handmade, US, Amish built by our craftsmen in Ohio. You can custom get them in different colors. If you want to get something in something lighter or natural or darker, two-tone, it's completely open. Visit us at 6206 North Sepulveda Boulevard in Van Nuys, California. Visit us on the web at www.barnfurnituremart.com or call us toll-free at 888-302-2276. And please press the like button, follow us, and we do a lot of videos, and you'll be able to get notifications of when we get new products or if we're having any specials.